Hi everyone, I'm Kyle at Frontier Chrysler, and this is our 2022 Wagoneer Series 3. With under 19,000 kilometers, this is a great used option. Behind that aggressive grille, we have a 5.7 liter engine, and it's since been replaced with the inline 6 turbo engine on the new Wagoneers. So if you want that Hemi power and Hemi sound, this could be a great option for a full-size SUV for you. Coming inside, we have that luxury interior that we do expect from Wagoneer. 3 rows, 7 passengers, tons of room for family and friends. Tons of great safety features such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control with stop. On this particular model, we do get air suspension for that great ride quality. So if you're looking for a luxury SUV, this could be the one for you. So contact me today.